I tried this with the Chinese scrolls and it didn't work out so well. I don't expect it to work any better here. But let's just try to take a video of this really long thing. You better read it quickly because I'm going to go past. I hope you're fluent in your ancient hieroglyphics here. Somewhere in the middle here they stick some arts. That's always makes it good. All this work and they died anyway. Can you imagine that?
The process of composition, like how they compose the dead body. How they compose these spells. Can you see nothing in the spell? No. It shows what is spell sequences are for prayers.
This is the exciting climax coming up right here. Right there, that's the climax. See if you can read it. You got to appreciate that the museum went through a lot of trouble to get this entire scroll to be visible. And I don't know if there's too many other places that have anything like this. And they gave it quite a bit of space. As you can see, there's the space. And by the way, that's not the whole thing because you have another half over here, but this does not look like hieroglyphics. This is supposed to be the Book of the Dead. This is not ancient Hebrew either, so I don't know. It's not Aramaic. It must be some Canaanite script or hieroglyphic script. I guess this is the Egyptian version of the Dead Sea Scrolls.